You know, when you love what you do, even though you don't have your parts on hand, but I love building PCs. I can't stop building them. Right now I did another price list, a $780 price list. Just like I said, even though the economy is rough right now, when the economy gets back right next year and you got the money put down the side, you say, hey, you know what? Let me go ahead on and build me a brand new PC. For brand new PC builders now, a lot of people already have their case already, the case they love, already have the board, already on the CPU, got everything pimped out right the way you like it. If you like it, got it all pimped out with the RGB and the cable mods and the cable extensions, that's great. You don't need that much parts on hand. But for the new beginners that say, no, let me go ahead and build my PC and let me be happy putting this build together, then that is great. And you can't go wrong with it. So with this $780 build, I like it myself. And if I want to get it upgraded next year, I will go with this. Let's get right on into the components to this build. We're going with the do-it-yourself Vision II computer case. Western Digital Blue 2 terabyte hard drive with the Gigabyte A520M DS3H motherboard. Going along with that would be the Zotac Gaming GeForce GTX 1650 4GB GPU card. Going with that, there's the pair of Dual Kit G-Skill Ripjaws V-Series 16GB 2 8GB sticks. It's going to go ahead and power this board right. With that, there will be the AMD RYZEN 3600 6-core 12-thread CPU. I love this CPU because it comes at the right price of $199, and this is more of the budget CPU. You cannot go wrong with it. The CPU is great, and it's going to go ahead and do exactly what you want your CPU to do. And go ahead and put that power to your PC and make it pop. Okay. Along with that, I'm teaming up with the crucial 500 gigabyte NVMe M.2 SSD drive. Yes, go ahead for fast boot up, no problem, no issues, no worries. And along with the power supply that I'm kicking with all these good, wonderful parts is the EVGA 600 bronze 80 plus certified power supply. Yes, the total of these parts are $760.92, putting it well under $780. So you can't go wrong with that. You got $780 in your pocket. You said, let me go ahead and build me a nice good PC. Great. You can't go wrong with it. So I'm glad that y'all love this list. Please go ahead on and add your comments to what you think about it. And please go ahead on and click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everybody. To my YouTubers, y'all have a wonderful and blessed night. Peace.